Ethereum value kind of equivalent to $1,616.55 a coin, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The present exchanged cost range, $1,612.04–$1,636.13, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, $1,627.01 in an unobtrusive way. The change for the most part was 10.46. 0.64% in an unpretentious way. Reverse rate, United States dollars to ETH, which essentially is very huge. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, September 18, cost $1646, genuinely most extreme $1761, especially least $1531, which is very critical. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, September 19, cost $1661, fundamentally greatest $1777, sort of least $1545 incredibly. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, September 20, cost $1705, most certainly greatest $1824. Really least $1586. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, September 21, cost $1636, by and large greatest $1751, fundamentally least $1521 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, September 22, cost $1618, extremely greatest $1731. Truly least $1505 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum estimate on Monday, September 25, cost $1617, greatest $1730, beautiful least $1504, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, September 26, cost $1606, really most extreme $1718, all things considered, least $1494. Genuinely further appearance how Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, September 19, cost $1661, certainly greatest $1777 in every practical sense, least $1545, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, September 27, cost $1621, really most extreme $1734, certainly least $1508. Exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, September 28, cost $1620, most extreme $1733, least $1507 in a significant way. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Friday, September 29, cost $1624, most extreme $1738, beautiful least $1510. Which really is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, October 2, cost $1618, lovely greatest $1731, really least $1505 in a truly significant way. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, October 3, cost $1617, truly most extreme $1730, by and large least $1504. Or so they basically thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, October 4, cost $1625, kind of greatest $1739, beautiful least $1511 in an especially enormous way. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, October 5, cost $1608, genuinely greatest $1721, especially least $1495, which generally is very huge. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, October 6, cost $1552, especially greatest $1661, lovely least $1443, which by and large is genuinely critical. Ethereum gauge on Monday, October 9, cost $1531, kind of most extreme $1638, truly least $1424. Truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, October 10, cost $1603, genuinely most extreme $1715, least $1491 in and in every practical sense, significant way. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, October 11, cost $1598, sort of most extreme $1710, essentially least $1486, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, October 12, cost $1609 in every practical sense, most extreme $1722, least $1496, or so they by and large thought. In about a month Ethereum figure on Friday, October 13, cost $1603, lovely most extreme $1715, fundamentally least $1491 in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, October 16, cost $1596, most extreme $1708, by and large least $1484, or so they certainly thought. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, October 17, cost $15.78, really greatest $16.88, beautiful least $14.68. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH conversion scale, equivalent to 0.6186 coins per $1,000 in an extremely large manner. Today's reach, 0.6112 to 0.6203, or so they for the most part thought. The past day's nearby, 0.6146. Which generally is genuinely critical, change for now plus 0.0040. Plus 0.65%, which basically is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ETH cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a genuinely significant manner. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, September 18, cost 0.608 coins, all things considered, most extreme 0.653, exceptionally least 0.568. Which truly is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Tuesday, September 19, cost 0.602 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.647, really least 0.563, further appearance how change for now, plus 0.0040, plus 0.65%. Or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, September 20, cost 0.587 coins, certainly greatest 0.631, especially least 0.548, which essentially is genuinely critical. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, September 21, cost 0.611 coins, sort of greatest 0.657. Least 0.571 in every practical sense. Further appearance how Ethereum figure on Wednesday, October 11, cost $15.98, certainly most extreme $17.10, least $14.86 in an essentially significant way. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Friday, September 22, cost 0.618 coins, really greatest 0.664, lovely least 0.578. Which especially shows that Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, September 19, cost $16.61, by and large most extreme $17.77, exceptionally least $15.45 in an especially huge way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Monday, September 25, cost 0.618 coins, especially most extreme 0.665, kind of least 0.578, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Tuesday, September 26, cost 0.623 coins, sort of most extreme 0.669, beautiful least 0.582, exhibiting how change for now plus 0.0040, plus 0.65% in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Wednesday, September 27, cost 0.617 coins,